Well, the results of the Zerona sound so fantastic, but they're real, that some people actually question how could this be real? It's magic. Well, it's not magic. There's hardcore science behind how it works. We can prove it. We have double-blind studies to prove that it body slims and it works. People come in and they say, am I going to respond for sure? Now, we can't make guarantees about anything, even if tomorrow the sun's going to come up. But I find that the person that I can say you're going to do best is one that might be 20, 30 pounds overweight and already a reasonably healthy lifestyle. Sometimes people that are really big and they really need bariatric surgery, they're not necessarily going to get the results that they're looking for. But we will treat them as long as they understand that their expectations must be reasonable. Athletes want to know if this is for them as well. When I say athletes that are reasonably highly tuned, I recently did a slender woman and she said, I don't think I'm going to see any results. And I found that people that are reasonably slender, that might just have a little bit of excess around their lower waist, did great. She lost 2.5 inches. She was 105 pounds and 5'2". And I was surprised. I was surprised. And I think that might be because people that are in a little bit better shape, their fat is ready to loosen up and to let go more than some people who are really out of shape. Another thing everybody wants to know, am I going to be slimmed down, Zerona slimmed for the rest of my life? And I explained to them, what if we went on an exercise diet program and you lost 20 pounds or you lost 5 or 6 inches, okay? And then you started eating a lot of stuff again, what would happen? They said, well, I'd gain it. I go, same thing. We're going to help you lose it effortlessly, in an easy way, without having to give up everything you love. And if you stick with us on our Zerona Lifestyle Improvement Program, you're going to keep it off. Everyone in practice of cosmetic surgery today is interested in not only building and maintaining, but how do we continue to get more patients in building, okay? When you bring an item in like an option like the Zerona, we have people calling us who normally might not call a cosmetic surgeon, coming in, having this service, and then they're interested in the other services we provide. It's just a matter of putting it in front of them, the services we do provide. This may be their first visit to a cosmetic surgeon, dermatologist, plastic surgeon's office. They might not have come otherwise. So having the Zerona in the office is a practice builder. Over time, many dermatologists, surgeons, cosmetic surgeons who do this kind of work, we're usually 9 to 5. And we can do probably 8 patients a day during those hours. It's very simple to integrate into the practice because there's nobody there that has to be tied up during that 40 minutes. Okay? They're in the room alone. Expanding hours is a new way to think for many of we doctors, but the spas understand this. And if a practice opens till 8 o'clock at night, maybe opens up Saturday half day, they can do many more patients. So we're thinking about new ways to be successful now, and the Zerona is one of the leaders for that. Because you can do more patients, you don't have to hire new staff people, and the risk is 0.